Hello everyone. So in my previous video related to GUI with Tkinter, we are already done with the introduction part, what is exactly Tkinter and everything. Also we are done with the place, pack and grid function, and also we started with the labels and entry and button. So our next topic is on check button. So again the same thing, only the basic things are from Tkinter, import everything. This is our main window variable name, which is root. This is the tk inbuilt function in Tkinter. Then we are assigning one title. Obviously it is on us what title we you want. Okay, PythonLobby is our title name. Now this is very important right now. Like here in this program we have created two check buttons. Okay, that both the check buttons we are interested in placing root section, that is our main window. Then text it will display, it is learning and tutorial. Now the next point is variable equal to, here also variable equal to, and two different names are given, C1 and C2. Why? Because when you are executing any program of check button or checkbox concept, we can select single also, we can select multiple things also. So obviously if I select both, so I have to store some value. Okay, so if you select B0 check button, then you will get your answer in C1. So here you all can see C1 is holding integer variable value and C2 is also holding integer variable value. If you want, then you can use string var also, not an issue. Okay, but if you have multiple check button, then multiple times you have to write this statement. Otherwise you will get the error message. I will show you that also, what kind of error message you will get. But let me complete this first. If you want, you can assign height also, width also, because it has many parameters. Right now we have used only main things like first one, second one, third one, fourth and fifth. Otherwise we can have a background color, we can have a foreground color, everything. And as I said in my previous video, if you are using any widget, okay, like labels or entry or button or whatever, then you have to compulsory use any one geometry manager, which is a pack function, which can be place function, which can be grid function. It depends on the program which you require or which you want. Here for both the check button we have used pack function, and then root.geometry, and we have given the size. This you can write at the end also, this statement you can write here also, it is totally fine. And the last and very important line, that is root.mainloop function. So obviously it will be inside of this loop continuously till you press the close button. So now we will check the output, control S F5. So here you all can see that it is showing learning, tutorial, selection, tick mark, untick, everything it is showing. Okay. And suppose if I don't write this line, control S F5, still we are getting the output, but I think in normal situation, because syntax wise it is not correct. Okay. So always write this in your program. But I would like to show you about this for sure, that we will get the error message. So what kind of error message we are getting is name C1 is not defined in this line. So you have to define C1, and if you have a multiple check button, then C2, C3 likewise. But program is actually abnormally terminated in line number 7 only. Okay, because of this error message. So always, like write this statement, okay, for each and every check button. Okay, thank you everyone.